In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up payouts on Whop. We'll start from a fresh browser so you can follow along step by step. Open a new window and search for Whop. When the results appear, click the official Whop site. It's always a good idea to double-check the URL so you know you're on the real platform before entering any account details. Once you're on the site, log into your account using your usual credentials. After you're in, head straight to your dashboard. This is your control center, and everything you need for payouts lives here. From the dashboard menu, open the promo code section. Within this area, locate and select the Payouts tab. Depending on your layout, you may also see Payouts in the sidebar. Either way, you're aiming for the Payouts settings page. Start by choosing your country, so Whop can process payouts in your local currency. Next, follow the on-screen prompts to enter your personal or business information. Upload a government-issued ID and link your primary bank account. Make sure the name on your bank account matches the name on your profile to avoid verification issues. When uploading your ID, use a clear, well-lit photo and ensure all corners are visible. Bank verification may take a little time depending on your region, so keep an eye on status messages. With your main payout method set, scroll to additional payment methods. Click Setup next to PayPal to link your account. You'll be redirected to sign in and grant permissions, confirm the connection, and return to Whop. If you use a dedicated PayPal email for business, make sure you connect that one to keep accounting clean. Next, choose Setup next to Coinbase and follow the instructions to link your Coinbase Commerce account using your API key and webhook secret. Paste these carefully and keep them secure. Do not share them publicly. After saving, watch for a confirmation that the connection succeeded. When you're ready to receive funds, stay within the Payout section and click Withdraw. Enter the amount you want to transfer and confirm. Some payouts post quickly, while others may take a business day or two, and minimum amounts or fees can apply, so review any notices before confirming. To automate the process, click the three dots at the top right of the Payouts page. Choose Automatic Withdrawals, and select the frequency that fits your cash flow, such as daily or weekly. You can adjust this later if your needs change, and that's it. Your Whop payouts are fully set up and ready to go.